Hi everyone, I'm good. How are you? So today I'm going to show how to play temple run. So let's continue. Click to continue. So this is Tomb Runner actually. I'm sorry. Yeah, let's play. But before moving to that, we have some characters. These are the characters. Many characters are there. For that, we need some money also. So let's choose the original person and put a tick mark. Now let's play that. He has what stolen the diamond and is running. Now you are supposed to jump. That is the instruction they have given for us. Now instruction is to move down. Now instruction is to move side, left. Here in this half road you need to move. You need to use your right arrow and left arrow. Right again. So he is giving us a hint where to go, so that we could find. Now I have something there. Let me jump so that I will. Oh, I have my running capacity now. Automatic running capacity. Hope you are enjoying it. So in this I can, without jumping also I can move for some time. I need to slide there where fire came, no? That time. I fell down, no. But my score was good. Hope you enjoyed it. Do play this game in this online game in. Go to Google, search Temple Run online, play this. This is some other game, okay? Next video I will show you how to play Temple Run. So until then, bye bye. Do like, share, subscribe to Vishwablooms.